Okay, the next step in the process of removal of the sink cabinet will be, if you'll look at the back of the wall, this piece of wood right here is actually the back of the cabinet. And you can see that this supply lines are protruding through small holes as well as the drain in the back of the cabinet. But these handles right here will have to come off because they won't fit through that hole. So we'll be taking those off next. There's a Phillips screw on the end of these handles. You have to make sure when you turn these Phillips screws that you hold the handle too, because otherwise the faucet might come on and water will spray out. So once you get the screw loose, then you can safely turn it without opening the faucet. If I turn the whole handle right now, the water will come out. Alright, so we got that apart. Next we'll do the other side. Once again, we'll hold the handle so that it doesn't turn on. Unscrew the screw. And the handle comes right off. Now, when we move the cabinet, these holes where that these pipes are protruding through are big enough that this surrounding metal right here will go through it. Same thing with the drain. You can see here somebody stuffed paper in the wall to keep the air from flowing through, so that it doesn't get cold in here from whatever might get through in the wall. Okay, so that concludes that portion of it here. The next thing we'll do will be to actually go around the cabinet, all along the cabinet edges here where it touches the wall. There's probably some silicone that's been put on there to keep water from leaking down around the edges in case the sink gets wet. We'll take our utility knife and carefully run it along where the bead of silicone is, all along the whole edge. So that's the back, and down the sides, all the way down to the floor, and then again on this side, down the front, and all the way to the floor. And once that's done, we'll get on with the next step, which will be to remove the quarter round from around the base of the cabinet, as well as some other molding down there. So that'll be next. Thank you.